Hello everyone. Why are you so grumbly, Tiki's? She's so grumbly
Ooh,
today.
that poked me.
Yeah, she has a whisker growing in. It's really...
Ow.
I know, it keeps happening
Felt
to
like
me.
a little needle. Okay, you're gonna have to be careful with the cheek smooches.
It is currently snowing outside. Not a lot,
Just
right?
a little bit,
Yeah. And then it's gonna turn into rain later. Is that what you said? I don't know. I haven't checked the weather. Oh, good.
It's snowing
Tomorrow it's gonna be freezing.
but not as cold as in the Midwest, like Chicago,
Yeah, I know.
Minnesota.
It's insane.
If you guys live there, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's really cold. Tomorrow we have an event to go to.
Yeah.
We're going tomorrow to Alex. You guys know Alex. Her boss is speaking like on a panel situation. It's all about weddings, which has nothing to do with our lives right now.
I think the panel's like, you're engaged, now what?
Yeah.
And we're going, but obviously not for that. Just going to support Al and her business.
But it's gonna be so cold. So now I gotta figure out what to wear to that. But anyway, I digress. That's tomorrow. Today. We're both exhausted. Okay, well, first off, let me tell you about yesterday. Yesterday was Monday, and we like both woke up really tired. I don't know, something about this week.
The weather's been very yo-yo.
It's like 5 degrees and then it's 50 degrees and then it's 6 degrees and then it's 66 degrees. I mean, it's just like a mess. It's going back and forth. So everyone's like, allergies are messed up. Yesterday I had, in the afternoon, I had one of those cookie bombs that we made at the cookie dough class that you guys saw. And then I had a coffee right afterwards, and I literally think my body was just like, absolutely not, and like shut down. Because I was just like, I was sitting on the couch trying to work, and I was like, I can't. I was like, I think I need to go take a nap. And if you know me at all, I am not a nap taker.
I can't remember the last time you took a nap.
No, I am not a nap taker.
Your eye surgery.
Yeah, probably. The only time I'll sleep is sometimes in the car if we're like driving like a road trip situation, not just like if we're going 5 minutes. But yeah, probably my eye surgery was the last time I took a nap. I just can't do it, and I was like, I've got to go lay down. And I think my body was just, I think I had an actual sugar crash. I'm not sure I've ever actually had that before, but it was really scary. And then we had signed up to go to a class at Equinox last night, and I woke up like 30 minutes before we had to leave, and I was like, I don't know if I can do it. I just felt so like weird, but I forced myself to go, which was probably for the best, because I think I sweated out like all of the sugar. I think it really helped. And then last night, I started getting a horrible migraine when I went to bed, and I learned this morning that Ashley did too, which is so crazy. I think it's because of the weather, because it was just insane. So I actually did sleep really well once I got to sleep. She said she didn't sleep well at all last night.
No, I was up off and on. I was up a solid like 2.5 hours in the middle of the night. I like turned my TV on because well, it was one of those that I needed a distraction from the pain.
Yeah.
And the light and sound sensitivity wasn't super bad. It was more just like pain that I needed to try to forget what's happening. But it wasn't like super, it was like so much pain that I couldn't get to sleep. I couldn't relax.
Yeah.
But anyway, so today I'm tired because I didn't get my required 8 hours of sleep.
Yeah,
and I have a little bit of a residual headache still.
Yeah, and just like still trying to recover. So today I'm taking it easy. I'm only doing the things that like I have to get done today. Usually Tuesdays is like one of my most productive days, and I like get a bunch done, but it's not gonna be one of those days.
Oh, I have a bunch of stuff I have to get done.
Which I don't have a ton I have to do today. There is some stuff I have to do, but I do have to go. I have a personal training session at 2. Which I'm annoyed about. Basically, when you sign up like at Equinox, you basically get a bunch of free things, and one of them is like a complimentary personal training session, which is going to be beneficial because he's going to show me like things that I can do at the gym, and so I don't hurt myself on like the machines. But I'm just annoyed that it's like right now and like in the middle of the day.
You scheduled it.
I know. I'm used to working out in the middle of the day, but I actually, in this new year, I've started going like after work, and I actually like that so much better. So it's just annoying, but we're just gonna get it over with and we're gonna go. But that's pretty much all we're doing today. I think.
I was supposed to have a personal training session tonight, but
She canceled it.
Well, my head still hurts a little bit. I'm gonna be super tired by that point after the rest of this day. Plus, it's gonna be like 100% chance of like rain, snow situation, and all of those things combined, I just didn't want to deal. So
yeah,
I'll do it later.
Yeah. So we're boring today. But we'll try and pick up the camera if we do anything fun. I think I'm gonna make pizza for dinner.
That's what I was gonna do.
Oh, pizza making
pizza
class.
night. Okay. Shelby's at the gym, getting her personal training on. I just went and treated myself to a coffee from Starbucks. This week has just been a little blah. Today's like cold and rainy, and I'm just like not feeling the day. So I'm trying to make myself happy. I have essential oils going in the diffuser. I have Friends on, which is one of my go-to TV shows. What? Yes. You say hello. Yeah. Okay. Can I talk now? Okay. I spent my lunch break kind of picking up the kitchen, cleaning the counters, emptying the dishwasher. I took the trash out when I went to go get coffee, so the space is feeling very clean. So I was hoping that would boost my mood. This is the cinnamon shortbread latte with almond milk from Starbucks. I'm really liking this drink right now. It's like a good substitute for the like chestnut praline that we love during the holidays. Okay, hang on. Honey. Okay, this better? Anyways, so I'm gonna spend the rest of the day getting a bunch of work done I need to do, drinking my coffee and watching Friends and snuggling with Bobby. Okay, oh my Lord have mercy, what is all this? Guys, this is all the collagen that I take every day is making these like baby hairs grow. Look at this, isn't that such a great look? I call these my catfish bangs, look at this. I have the same thing for those vitamins. Alright, I need that to grow out a little more. Okay, I smell really bad. I need to take a shower. You probably didn't need to know that, but I just got back from my personal training session and oh my god. My trainer Chris is no joke. We did literally everything and my legs feel like jello and I'm really gonna feel it tomorrow. But he told me to rest tomorrow and I was already planning on that, but he was like, have you stopped since you guys joined? And I was like, no. He was like, you've got to rest. So I'm resting tomorrow. I got myself a smoothie on the way out. I love juice press and there's a juice press in every Equinox, so it's actually a bad thing because, you know, but I told myself I can only get a smoothie once a week because they're expensive and I can make them here. But this is just like a different kind. I get like a different kind to what I can make here. Yeah, I'm exhausted. My legs are burning. So there's that. I also ordered some makeup, which I shouldn't have done. Ashley's gonna yell at me. Ordered what?
Nothing. Hang on.
Wait, what?
I need to set this somewhere. Some makeup. I got some Charlotte Tilbury things because I love her. There we go. Is that better? So her color like Pillow Talk is like a thing that everyone loves. And so she came out with an eyeshadow palette, which I already have an eyeshadow palette from her that I love. But this is different colors. It's really, really pretty. Look at that.
I can't really see the light. It's weird. It's too dark.
Oh. And then I got Pillow Talk in her lipstick as well because I need to really try this out because, oh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you can really see the color. It's kind of like a pinky nude. But I feel like something weird has like happened with my skin and colors that used to look good on me don't look good on me anymore. So I'm trying to figure out what colors I need to wear with my skin tone because, well, I don't feel like I've always been this pale. It's not a weird thing. So I don't know. But I'm excited to try this out. I'll probably wear them tomorrow when I get ready for the event. So that is all I have for you right now. Oh, Ashley, I did get this for you. One of the samples was the Labo Santal.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Oh, yay. That makes me happy.
Good. So I really did it so that you wouldn't get mad at me for spending my money and buying makeup. I was like, okay, just sample for Ashley.
Oh, it smells so this is the one exception.
Oh, it's not a spray.
Not a spray bottle sample. It's like this plug one, which I hate, but I will make an exception for the Labo Santal.
And anytime I get beauty samples from Nordstrom, I always get the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair and the La Mer Moisturizer because I can't afford either of these things. But if I could, my skin would be amazing. So I always feel like it's a little mini facial for myself because I get the samples. Anyway, you're sitting on my smoothie and I really want my smoothie, so sorry. Alright, I'm gonna go shower. Talk to you guys later. It's pizza night. Shelbs already made hers. Now I gotta assemble mine. Guess what? It's snowing.
It's only been snowing for approximately 5 minutes. And it's already starting to cover. Pretty nuts. And we have to go out in it later. Although I think it's only supposed to snow for a few hours. And then this cold polar vortex thing that's happening across the country is arriving in New York City. Pretty crazy. It's like blizzardy. Wow.
Poppy loves to snow. Do you see it outside? Yeah.
Holy crap.
It's like already covering. It's been snowing for literally 5 minutes.
Oh my god.
You guys, I can barely walk. Personal training 1.
Here, take this. I'm about to drop Poppy.
Shelby 0. So it's gonna be a fun night. Holy crap.
Yeah.
I was gone for like 3 minutes
Yeah, you
and
went
now
to the bathroom, it's already covered.
The whole thing's covered. I wasn't gonna wear snow boots tonight. Do you know what you're gonna wear?
No, it's gonna depend on what this does over the next hour.
Because it's supposed to stop. It's only supposed to snow for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Oh.
But if it's gonna be this aggressive for 2 hours.
Did you show them this?
Yeah.
You can't really see it.
You can, not how you're holding it, but you can if you get closer to the window.
Oh my god. Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
Whoa.
Did you just almost fall?
I tripped over your foot.
Oh. Alright. Okay, I have 30 more minutes of work I need to do. Well, it's going to take me longer, but I have 30 minutes until I need to start getting ready. So I'm going to work for 30 more minutes and then get ready. What are you doing? Working? You have a conference call.
Yeah.
Also, Friends is on. We were watching Chicago PD, but then that was over. It was like a marathon until like 3. Okay, so it stopped snowing, but there's still snow everywhere. But I didn't really want to wear my snow boots to this event, so I'm hoping these black Zara boots will be okay. I've had these since like 2012, 2013. They're like my go-to black boots. But this is also the same sweater that you guys have seen so many times that I wear this anytime it's like below freezing, because it's basically the only sweater I have that I can like cuddle up in, and then it keeps me warm. I am going to wear my North Face coat because that's the warmest. It says it's 23 degrees, but that it feels like negative, or not negative 16, like, well, I don't know now. That was when it was 30 degrees outside. It said it felt like 16, so I don't know. I need to check that again. I've got a scarf, I've got a hat, I've got gloves. I'm ready. to adventure out. I didn't really do my hair because there was no point because I'm going to put a hat on. I just kind of like straightened it a little bit and then put some of the Living Proof texture spray in it to give it like a little bit of oomph. But okay, let's do this. Okay, update. It is 21 degrees. It's about to jump down to 18, 15, but when you go down here, currently feels like 10. So that's fun. Let's do this. Okay, it doesn't feel quite as cold. It could be because I'm completely bundled. What is Ashley doing? What is she doing? I don't know what she's doing. What were you doing?
Texting out inside before my fingers froze outside.
It actually doesn't feel quite as cold as I thought it would be. There is a nice blue.
Dropping though.
There's a blue hue that's nice.
It's just gonna drop.
Yeah, I know.
I think we did, but wait, are you
wearing rain boots? Yeah, they're my nice ones.
Oh no, I wore the rain ones.
Oh shoot.
Because it's on the ground.
I know. These are gonna get really cold. Whoopsie. And I'm still so sore. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I have to put my glove on this hand and put the camera away. We'll let you know if we survived getting there.
What'd you get?
I don't know. I was just grabbing.
So we checked in, got out, we have our drinks, little Prosecco, spritzes, Shelbs and snacks, and we're just ready to learn about the wedding industry.
Really important to me when I was making this book is I wanted to include flowers that you could find at a farmer's market, a bodega, or really aspirational flowers that like come in from Japan and are like these like ranunculus on like crack and they're like this big and like blowing open. So no, there are not price points in this, but there is such a variety of different flowers in each colorway. So it's like you kind of get inspired by the colors and you take that to your florist. Your florist can educate you on what's really expensive, like what flowers they'll kind of roll their eyes at. But even you brought up orchids, for example, there are very inexpensive orchids and then there's very expensive orchids. So it's like, it's such a like, I don't know, it's just a crazy game. This book is here to like really inspire you on color, time of year, as a starting point to like start a conversation.
And to learn, like I didn't know just wasn't obsessed with this flower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Totally.
That was fun. It was interesting.
Yeah, not planning a wedding, but it was great to learn the information. And I do. And so I need a lot of money. The wedding that I envision.
If you guys happen to be planning a wedding, we'll tag like their Instagrams down below if you want to check them out. They seem really cool. Get some information from them. This space is also cool. It's called Haven's Kitchen. They do weddings here. Yeah. So if you're looking for like an event space or there's a coffee shop that's open
That I had been to 7 years ago, I realized when we walked up here, I was like, I've been here before.
So it's a cool space. Back in comfy clothes because it's 11 degrees outside with a feels like temperature of -6. That was a cold cab ride home. So going to just make some dinner, cozy up on the couch, and maybe watch some TV or something.
It was so funny because and it was progressing so quickly.
You know the stove is back there, right?
Yeah, I'm just preparing my quesadilla over here. It was like we looked out and it had like started snowing. Oh, for everyone here, Dad.
This video is going on YouTube. Say hi to your fans.
Hey fans!
Oh my lord! No.
Stay tuned. They're gonna put me on there again soon, and I have a lot to say.
Oh my god.
Yes, I'm ready to be on YouTube. I'm gonna be a YouTube star.
Oh, are you?
I have a story to tell.
Oh
Okay.
wow. What kind of stories?
I have a new title.
Oh, what is that?
Well, you know, it used to be that We Make Taxes Fun, but I had a new client come in.
Is it your wizard thing?
Yeah, that's the wizard. I'm now a wizard.
You're
That's
a
what she
wizard?
He texted that to me.
A
called me.
tax
You're the wizard.
a tax wizard?
Yeah. She said, she said, you're the managing partner. And I said, yes. And she says, then you're the wizard. And I said, yes, I'm the wizard. So I went down the hallway telling everybody, I'm the wizard. And they're all going, oh my
Your
God.
poor employees. I feel bad for them.
So I've looked it up. I haven't bought it yet. But on Amazon, I can get a wizard costume for like $69.
Mom's in the background yelling no.
This is our father, ladies and gentlemen.
With the white beard and everything. And the wand, the wand
Sure.
is extra.
Oh, you shaved.
Oh, the wand's extra?
Yeah.
I think you gotta splurge for the wand though.
Yeah. No! So I'm going to be a wizard.
Cool.
My goodness.
Tax wizard.
The tax wizard. Can't you see it now?
Yeah, oh absolutely.
I'm trying to unsee it. That's the problem. We need to show everyone your Halloween costumes of the past.
Yeah, I don't think we need to do that.
I kind of think we do.
If you guys want to see our dad's Halloween costumes, comment down below. Maybe we'll do some on Instagram stories.
Oh my. It's not always pretty.
Nope.
But they were effective.
Here's a hint. One was a ballerina one year.
I think I still have that.
Complete with a tutu and everything.
That our grandma made for him.
Yeah, she did. Alright,
Cool.
people.
Okay, say bye.
Stay inside. Keep your eyeballs from freezing.
Yep.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Okay, so you're making a quesadilla? So that's what's happening?
With vegan cheese and arugula.
Cool.
Gotta get those greens.
Yep, greens at every meal.
But I have to take the stems off of arugula because I have choked on it in the past. I have a lot of issues. Ashley laughed at me earlier because I was trying to swallow a pill and I like kind of choked a little bit and she just laughed at me. Fun fact, Ashley has given me the Heimlich because I was choking on a pill when I was trying to swallow it. So it's like PTSD I have from that.
It's like an anxiety thing. Like you're anxious about it because you don't want to choke again.
Yeah, because that was not fun. It wasn't fun for either of us. I was here in New York at our very first apartment. Good times, good times. All right.
Okay, well hurry up and make this so I can make my dinner.
Sounds
Please, because I am starving since I forgot my granola bar on Alex's desk.
Wait, is that where it was?
Yes.
I offered you mine because I brought one. I did offer her a granola bar.
So I knew that this event was gonna be like sort of late and I didn't know if they had food. They did, but like just like a little bit. It was good, but it wasn't like dinner, you know, and it's 9 o'clock now. So I got a granola bar to bring with me in my purse so that if I was either hungry there or I thought I might be hungry like on the way home for just a little snack. But I got to the event and it wasn't in my purse and I was like, I know I grabbed it. I must have accidentally forgot it like on my bed or something. And we get back here and Alex goes, oh, there's a granola bar on my desk. I put Poppy in her room when we left and I must have like set Poppy in there and then accidentally set the granola bar on the desk and left it. Anyways, that's a long story to say. I didn't have a granola bar.
She didn't want it.
She did.
So.
I didn't want to eat your granola bar because when you get hungry, you get mean and I thought you might need it.
Hey.
Happy Thursday. It is almost Friday. It's a very cold one today. Woke up to 5 degrees. that was like the real temperature. I think the wind chill was like -11. Something ridiculously cold. So I've just been hibernating on the couch with my heated blanket, getting some work done. But it's now lunchtime and it's a popcorn for lunch kind of day today. Probably not the healthiest choice I could be making, but I love this for just a quick, easy, like light lunch. And it's easy because it pops up in this box and it's no mess. But I have my popcorn tasting assistant here who is eagerly waiting for me to give her a piece or two. Do you want some popcorn? Okay, here. No? You might not be hungry because you just ate your breakfast. Not interested? Okay, more for me. Update. I still can barely walk and feel my legs. It was my intention to go to Equinox tonight because Ashley and Al both have appointments tonight that they'll both be there. So I was like, I'm gonna go and just do my own workout, but I really don't want to hurt myself, and I want to work out tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. So I'm just gonna take another day to myself. It's absolutely freezing. I've been living under my heated blanket on my bed, and I can like barely take my hands out. So I have like the covers and stuff like over my head and my hands with like my computer trying to get stuff done. So that's interesting. It's proving to be not very productive, but I'm trying to stay warm. I don't know what Ashley's doing. Oh, just finishing up my lunch break. I watched Andy Cohen tagged like this John Mayer thing on Instagram. And it was like him and Maggie Rogers. Huh. So I was curious as to what it was. It's like an hour-long thing on John Mayer's IGTV. But apparently he started his own like little silly talk show in his living room, John Mayer. So he had like Andy Cohen on as like his guest, and then Maggie Rogers was the musical guest. Interesting. It's really silly, but I like Maggie Rogers. Unpopular opinion. I don't like John Mayer. No, me either, but I like Andy Cohen and Maggie Rogers. Yeah. So I was curious. So I just spent my lunch break watching that. That's going to cause a lot of controversy, but I've never liked him. That's all I'm going to say about it. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out a lunch situation. This is a great angle. I like just a little side pony. That was not intentional. It just moves. It started like up here, but being snuggled under my blanket, it does this. So I'm trying to figure out lunch. We're just working away. Nothing super special. Is it gonna still be freezing this weekend? I mean, I think it's gonna be cold, but not this cold. Gotcha. All right. So Ashley just came into my room to drop Poppy off because she's going to the gym. Let me just show you. This is what walked into my room. Like, what even? It's cold outside. It's 16 degrees. Oh my lord. My legs are gonna freeze because these are just thin leggings, but I'm wearing my Uggs instead of tennis shoes because I'm gonna take my shoes off anyways for bar class. Oh yeah. So at least my feet will be a little warm. Hey. Well, good luck. Okay. You and Al have fun. See you later. Poppy and I are gonna do all the dishes. If I survive the winter freeze. Bye. Bye. Okay, sorry if I'm like screaming. Maybe I should just take these off because I'm not actually playing anything at the moment. So yeah, I've just spent like my entire day on Instagram just trying to get like a good Instagram strategy down. So I'm gonna finish up that, and then I need to like empty the dishwasher, you know, all those fun adult things. Ash and Al, I think, are both going to Whole Foods after their classes at the gym. I can still barely move, but I did sign up for a spin class tomorrow. I have until 3 hours before to cancel, so we'll see how I wake up in the morning, but it became available this morning to sign up. So I signed up. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that's your update. I feel like this entire vlog is just a bunch of rambling of the things. So I apologize. That's where we're at.